What if I told you there's a simple way to cleanse your liver, boost your energy, and feel sharper, all in just 3 days? I used to spend weeks trying every detox out there, only to end up feeling worse. But this method, it changed everything. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal the single most powerful trick to reset your liver, and it's easier than you think. Picture this. Your liver, a silent hero, is hard at work filtering out toxins, chemicals from food, alcohol, medications, even dead cells. It's a 24/7 job, and sometimes it needs a break to function at its best. That's where this cleanse comes in. Forget about endless lemon water or ginger shots. The secret lies in an ancient process called autophagy. It's your body's natural recycling system, cleaning out waste and turning it into fresh new cells. Think of it as a reset button for your body. Now here's where it gets exciting. I discovered 7 ways to trigger autophagy, from eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage to getting enough sleep. But the most powerful technique? Dry fasting. Yes, no food or water, but only for 12 hours, from sunrise to sunset. Here's the best part. 12 hours of dry fasting is as effective as 3 full days of water fasting. Not only does it supercharge your liver, but it also reduces inflammation, boosts mental clarity, and even helps grow new brain cells. To make the most of this cleanse, break your fast with a nutrient-packed meal, cruciferous veggies like kale or broccoli, paired with clean protein like lean meat. Do this for 3 days a month, and you'll notice your energy soar, your digestion improve, and your skin glow. Add a supplement like bile salts to prevent discomfort and ensure smooth detoxification. Now it's your turn to take action. Try this 3-day liver cleanse and let me know how it changes your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips like this. And if you're ready to dive deeper, click on the video here for more secrets to optimize your liver health.